last time on ASIBOM. Axe found on Name's castle from BIB and decided to go inside it. Wow, 5 was being sucked up by a poorly drawn tornado that looks like it was drawn by a 5-year-old. Yeah. So, one moment, please. We don't have time for this.
So how are you?
Pretty good, how are you?
Good. So, what now?
Oh hey, who do you think's getting eliminated today? Nah, probably you. Oh, shut up. Nah. No thanks. Okay, whatever. Well, I think it's gonna be Fonzie's, to be honest. No one likes him. Okay, a little too far, but whatever. I'm going now anyway. Oh, God.
Greetings and salutations. We can start the elimination now from last episode. So, everyone go to the elimination area that has been eliminated.
What do we do then?
Well, you guys will go to Hotel 5Z while I do the elimination.
Alright, bye-bye.
Lost last time, and with Conveniently Placed TV 2.0 we will be doing the elimination. So pretty much the prize is yo-yo berries, which if you don't know what those do, they turn you into metal. So yay. You 3 are safe, by the way. So here it's between Lava Tube and Fontizen and Lava Tube. You are eliminated. Any final words?
No, I can't be eliminated. Well, for being second place for elimination, you get a win token because I really don't know. Just take it. Alright, then I'll take this, I guess. Yay. Camera, go to someone else.
What's this conveniently placed cup of coffee?
Alright, I guess we're doing this again, Zens, eh? Oh, I can't wait to do this again, and this time, hopefully I'll kill you! That's tasty!
Guys, run! The challenge is to survive Noah! Go fast!
Let go of me, let go of me, let go of me, let go of me!
Am I supposed to know you?
Alright, you're still here! And you know I'm always watching! Oh, look!
What's going on over here? What are you doing this time? Oh my, you suck at life, number 1. Number 2, stop scaring innocent people. And number 3, you look like Zent tried to die, but failed to die miserably.
Hey, I don't look like that!
So I'm just gonna go now. This is boring with you around.
Well, now that she's died, shall we continue?
So, how's life for you? Nah, pretty good. How about you? Pretty good. The life being life. Well, I'm gonna go annoy some other people. Peace. Okay, bye. Gotcha.
Wait, what?
This is what you get for being so annoying to all of us.
You'll regret that! Tasty! Oh, I
Leave us alone!
eating grapes straight from the streets. I mean, I would not want to be that either, so, yeah. And also you're fatherless, so, oof, whomp whomp.
Hey, Dad, can you tell us how that is and has?
No family members. Just checking. Does he have any family members?
Oh no, this guy is completely useless to society. I'm gonna go now. Bye. Alright, see ya.
Okay, start the teleportation device, please. Right now, I gotta get out of here. He's crashing.
So you wanna be like that, huh?
Teleport me, please, please, please. I failed again. Just beautiful. Beautiful. Oh my God. Huh? Who are you? I guess I'm following you now.
Alright, everybody. Bad news. The entire island has been ripped to shreds, as you can see behind me. So we're locating to a new island for the rest of the season. So, come on, guys.
I could get used to this place. Ooh la la.
Viewers, vote 1 of 4 contestants to leave ASIBOM for good unless they rejoin. Vote in the comments down below and we will see you on the next episode of ASIBOM.
Don't vote me. Don't vote me. Don't vote me. Actually, no, I don't really care if you vote me. I've already been in this series long enough.
That's where I'm about to crash out on everyone right now. I am tired of existing. You asked for this!
Bye, everyone! Oh, crap, I'm in danger! I better get out of here before I'm turned to shreds just like last time! Oh, I remember the good old days! Bye now!
Zent, we meet once again. We have been fighting for what feels like centuries. And I'm here to end that. Once and for all. No, please.
May you please leave so me and Zeddy can have a quick talk after his accident?
Are you serious? Are you actually serious? What were you thinking? Going out there and provoking him? Of all people! Hey, what do you want from me? Come on, he's my arch enemy. I meant to do this stuff. Well, not out of nowhere like this. Okay, calm down. I swear, I'm gonna crash out on you the next time you do this. Well, thank God I'm giving you those 3 wishes still, or you'd be pissed. Hey, don't talk about my wishes like that. Oh, be quiet. I don't want to hear it from you. You're the one that literally just did whatever that was. Shut up.
Oh God, Jesus Christ! Oh, you scared me. Oh, hey, yeah, I just wanted to say you should stop working with this Noah guy. Cause, like, he's evil and whatever. So, like, stop working with him and all that crap. He's kind of weird, so, like, get away from him and you'll be good. Hey, can I ask something? It's not that bad, eh? So, should we just, like, leave them to do whatever they want? Yeah, I could actually care less. I'm gonna go if I were you, because I don't want to get killed by an axolotl with the strength of a Titanic. Okay, go ahead, bye. Just gotta aim.